This pineapple is so good. I'm a pineapple. 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 Ready? Ready? Really ready? Huh? Alright, ready? Here we go. Baskets! I got a package. It said mystery killer box. Okay, we got instructions. And we got a grenade launcher. Let's read the instructions. Buy the grenades separately. That's the first thing it says. Okay, well, forgot I had grenades at home. Bet. Okay. Get the grenades. Don't mind how much I'm addicted to pizza, okay? Don't mind. So, yeah. Let's read more instructions. Shove the grenades up the barrel and make sure it's snug. X3, okay. Oh, there. Okay. After that, press the trigger to shoot. I think it's that. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I'm helping you.
Got him. To run!
Bro, I'm reporting now!
Oh, man. Alright, we need to load this back up or else.
Where?
Alright, here we go. Let's hope that we don't die. I mean, we won't die. We're the powerful one in this burper.
Hey!
I mean, I bet. Bro, I'm killing giants. Okay, so one person someone stole, so
I don't want to kill no one.
I think if we can kill him, shred that thing because we don't want anybody else. Here, net shredder.
I'm not.
Hey! That wasn't the accident, yeah.
I wish I could close this door. I can't.
God, David trying to kill you.
You ain't gonna jump rod. You ain't gonna
No, I'm
jump.
sorry, I didn't shoot you. I was trying to shoot orange, okay?
Listen up, pineapple. Now I'm missing. You meant. Oh.
Yeah, I survived 4 RPs. No, 2 RPs. Help me. Alright?
Alright, we chill.
Because you tried to kill me several times, and I could have killed you. I made it out.
What?
I'm gonna shoot you, bro.
I can't die, by the way.
A bit too large. Don't kill me.
It's
You're drunk, Oh, you're weird! Someone killed this dude! No!
Oh my God, you're so annoying.
Thanks.
He killed me, bro! Handshake, handshake. Oh.
No. Pineapple, help me. Other
I'm actually gonna. I spend $2,000 each time I reload.
I let the I got him real quick.
bro.
If you want to play a red light, green light, see backpack. And no, you cannot bring weapons or else you'll be kicked from the code. No.
Oh my god. I'm actually gonna crash. I'm actually. Kitty's on mine.
We can team up, or I'll revive you and team up, or you gotta suck. Don't kill me, don't kill me. I didn't want to kill you.
Dude, bro.
I want the bean.
You want the beans? Yeah, that's how you get.
Hey, you never know. Yeah, watch out.
What's the war code? What's the war code? Join the code.
Hey, you want to see my true power?
Bro.
Wait, can I show you my power? Oh my god!
Alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, kill him. Big block.
I'm Pibble. Watch my belly.
Oh my
Bubble boomerang.
What the?
Hey, y'all want egg launchers?
Yeah.
What's up?
Bye. Bye.
Why'd you kill me? Put me in storage. Do it.
Yeah, okay. Was this a glitch?
Hey, good day, Armstrong.
Don't die.
I have filled up a whole shredder. Dude! That you guys jumped on the floor.
I'm gonna go kill some. Yeah, but who?
Try to kill me? I'm kidding.
I have magical powers ready.